What is up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how you can vector or vectorize any image easily using Adobe Illustrator. And with this method, you don't need any manual effort or tracing to vectorize the image that you want. Some of you might already know this method, especially if you used Illustrator for quite some time. So if you're a beginner, this video is for you. So, the first step is to download the image that you want to convert. And by the way, if you don't have Adobe Illustrator, there's a link down below so you can check that out. So now, I'm just scrolling through Google and finding images that I want to convert. And the next step would be to open Adobe Illustrator, make a project, then import those images. If you don't know how to import an image, you can go to File, then click Place, or use the shortcut Shift plus Control plus P. Select the image and place it. And one more thing, there are a couple of restrictions on the type of files that you can import inside Illustrator. So make sure that the image that you import is either a JPEG or a PNG file. Now that you have the image imported inside Illustrator, the final steps would be to select it, find the Quick Action section. You can find it in the Properties tab on the right side of the screen. Then go to the bottom and click on the image trace. Once you click it, you can see these 11 options that you can use. So if you want something cartoony, you can use this low fidelity photo. These 3, 6, and 16 colors is also good to use. You can also choose these shades of gray, or you can choose what you think is appropriate for the image. So I've been using this tool for quite some time now, and it saved me a lot of time, especially when you use or import logos online and you want to convert it as a vector without manually tracing it. Here are some illustrations I made using this method. I hope I gave you some insights regarding this amazing tool. I'm sure you can use this in so many ways, such as vector art or illustrations. I will be making more tutorials soon and maybe some new exciting contents. So if you want to join me as I explore new things, you can check out my channel, stay updated by subscribing, leave a like and comment down below some of your tips. And yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.